One of them is very red. Hayden over there is quite red.
Okay, guys, once you finish feeding the kangaroos, you guys step aside, just let the next person jump in and also feed the kangaroo as well.
Do you want me to open? He's like...
Just going to close this up. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, the one land as well, but you could...
Thank you. Once you finish feeding the kangaroos, you guys start moving that towards the outside. Guys, if you guys have food left over, you can feed it to the emu as well.
Oh yeah, the emu can have it first.
Good there, good there.
There we go. Alright, did you want some? No, it's okay. They're very gentle. Just give it a go. If you drop it, it's okay. They'll eat it anyway. Alright, anyone else?
Okay, guys, so if you are walking over past the...